Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Gardener, and today's video is a mail call. This one is from TNOG, the New Orleans gardener. She's a very awesome person and is very generous with not only her knowledge and her time, but she also sent me some seeds. I received this like a week ago, and I was going to open it and do a video on it, but then I was in her live and she said to look out in my mail for some more seeds. So I haven't even looked at this yet. I'm waiting. I waited and I received the uh, the seeds. So I'm going to open them and see what I have. All right. Once again, as usual, I forgot my stand, so I'm going to set that up and we'll take a look. I'll be back. All right. I got my tripod all set up. Let's see the awesome seeds that she sent. I'm going to open this without. Oh, one second. That's what happens when you're chaotic. I was trying to open it without spilling all over the place. All right. Okay, I thought she was just going to send one type of seeds. These are early purple sprouting broccoli. I always ooh and ah whenever I see all the purple items that she grows. And so she was kind enough to send me this. I'll definitely be growing that. She also sent, oh, the lipstick pepper. I was originally I said I would, and I still have them waiting for her. The lemon spice, jalapeno peppers. I said I'd trade her some for the lipstick pepper. And as soon as I hear from her on that, I will send her those seeds. And this is some kale. Oh, dazzling blue kale from Botanical Interest. Wow, that's exciting. And then I've got a card that says, "Good evening. Enjoy your seeds. I will see you in YouTube land." Signed by TNOG. That's awesome. I'll set that up right there. It's a beautiful card. Open this other one up here. I'm not even sure what this I'm not even sure what the this one is. So, oh wow, okay. So yeah, this is the broccoli romanesco. Also, I believe is might be a purple variety, but even if it's not, I've never grown this or actually any of these things before. I've grown kale before, and I've grown peppers, but definitely not these varieties. And she says, here are your seeds. Good luck growing the broccoli romanesco, because she had trouble at first growing it, but of course she mastered growing it. And so I'm very excited to try it. Hopefully I'll have luck here in my zone. So yeah, that's a very exciting mail call for me. Thanks again to the New Orleans gardener, Miss Linda. It's very sweet and thoughtful of her to send me these. She didn't have to. I didn't even like enter a contest or anything. She just was, how gardeners are. They're very generous with their seeds, and I hope to be the same way. I hope to be able to share the things I grow with other people. So I've already started collecting a bunch of seeds here, and like I said, as soon as I hear from her, I will send her those seeds. All right, that's great. So I definitely will have a part of my garden dedicated to Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener. I'm definitely growing all of these things. Yeah, I'm very excited. Can't wait for spring. And I might try growing some of these inside. Yeah, I definitely will try growing some of these inside. Matter of fact, I think I'll try growing the lipstick pepper. I'll see how tall the plant gets, and if it's within my growing range, that will be something I will get started right away. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.